Hello everyone, we are currently in a large wheat field in the US state of Kansas to see how the harvest of millions of tons of wheat for the 2022 crop is going. And later in this video, we will also go to some large fields in Australia and Canada to see how the farmers here harvest millions of tons of wheat. According to data reported by the United Nations Food and Agricultural Organization, the world's 2022 wheat production could reach 764 million tons. This is what is happening in a wheat field in Saline County in the US state of Kansas. The Kansas wheat harvest usually takes place from early to mid-June and ends in July. As the nation's top wheat producer, Kansas is also known as the wheat state. In 2021, Kansas wheat acreage is more than 7,300 acres and yields about 10.8 million tons. Currently, China, India, Russia, and the United States are the largest wheat producing countries in the world. Next, we will go to a wheat field in the Australian state of New South Wales. New South Wales has always been the leading wheat production region in Australia. In 2021, wheat production here is 13 million tonnes, about 40% of Australia's total wheat production. In 2021, the area of land used for wheat production in Australia set a record of 35 million acres, and the value obtained from this crop is about $2 billion. This is wheat harvest in progress in another field in Western Australia. Western Australia is also one of the largest wheat producing regions in the country, with more than 4,000 farms and an annual output of around 7 million tonnes. On our screen is currently a New Holland CR 8.90 machine. It is being used to harvest wheat in Canada. Canada is the 5th largest wheat producing country in the world. According to statistics released in 2020, Canada's total wheat growing area is more than 25 million acres, and the yield obtained is about 35 million tonnes, accounting for 12% of the world's wheat. In Canada, spring wheat is sown in the spring and harvested in the fall. In the fall, winter wheat will be sown, and they will have to live through the winter. Then the harvest will take place in the summer. How do you feel about the wheat harvest in this video? Let us know what you think in the comments section of the video. Goodbye and see you in the next video.